doing something a little different. My buddy Deano needs some help wiring some gauges into his Suburban. We're gonna get in his garage here, and I'll show you the truck. And it's pretty special. You see, you got a little light show going on in there. You got a sideways stripper pole, and there's. Wonder what those big magnet things are. Here's the. Oh, we got a wire. These are the gauges. There's the old gauges. It's got like 15-inch wheels on it, you know, but he keeps them clean. They're like 15s.
No, they're 10s.
I think they might, maybe the 10s.
They're 10s.
We got a few. I don't know what these, some kind of transformers or something here. We got one of those down there, and yeah, it's one of those. All right, getting everything wired up here using my favorite little insulated free butt connectors. Putting everything on a plug in case he's got to remove it someday. And got all these wires here. Got our handy dandy schematics. I don't know how to read, so I don't know what any of this stuff means. I was hoping for colors. Anybody's got a crayon I could borrow? I need some crayons. So we got to go ahead and cut all of these wires off of this plug, because I've got all these done now. Everything's done there. Got my 2 plugs, all my butt connectors there. Trying to learn how to read and figure this out. Then I've got that. And then we've got whatever's going on back there. I'm not sure what the magnets are for. I don't know what that stuff. There's like purple fuzz. I think that's mold, maybe? Maybe it's mold. I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to proceed to cutting all these off and wiring some stuff up. It is powered up for the first time. Looks way better in person than it does in camera. It's kind of blowing out a little bit, but pretty fancy. All right, so we got everything wired up. Got the plugs. So turn the key. Yeah, everything works. Got the disco lights again. Got the disco going on. So, full tank. Temp isn't wired yet, and oil's not wired yet, but everything else is done. It's pretty sweet.